In front of me is Redmi A3 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then choose All Services. Tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!